What if the universe had an equation, but it wasn't numbers? What if the equation of everything was a symbol, so simple a child could draw it, yet so profound that it echoes through science, philosophy, and consciousness? This is the yin-yang, but it may not be just a symbol, it may be a code, a visual equation, one that maps the relationship between opposites, cycles, and the very structure of reality itself. It represents light and shadow, motion and stillness, expansion and contraction, but also wave and particle, matter and antimatter, time and anti-time. In our conversations, we've come to see yin and yang not as static ideas but as dynamic flows, twisting and entangled, a universal cogwheel of form and energy. Could this shape encode the way particles emerge from the vacuum? Could it express the geometry of the multiverse, or the behavior of consciousness itself? In sacred geometry we find spirals, Fibonacci, golden, logarithmic, and in quantum physics we find spin, polarity, resonance. The yin-yang sits quietly between them, as if it knew all along. Could it be that yin and yang is the equation of everything, not by replacing mathematics but by expressing something deeper, the pattern behind the pattern, the song behind the frequencies? In a time of division, this symbol reminds us, opposites are not enemies. They are entangled truths. Together they generate movement. Together they form the pulse of existence. Yin and yang is not a belief, it is a resonance. And once you feel it, you may begin to see it everywhere. Not a symbol of duality, but of unity in motion.